Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day 14. So we meet again in the Starbucks drive-thru. I was able to do my hair, my makeup today. I used a lot of new makeup that I got from Michaela and Lindsay and I'm obsessed. So I will show you guys what I got from them later on. I almost said yesterday. I will show you guys what I got from them later on in this video. But I like a lot of the things that I'm wearing right now. I'm getting Starbucks, I'm getting a coffee, I'm getting a ice water, I'm getting Scott a sandwich. Lindsay got me a gift card to Starbucks, so obviously I have to use it. And how cute is this card too? So that's what I'm doing. And then I also got a lot of packages. Like I told you guys yesterday, I got a lot of packages for Oakley and just in the mail in general. So I'll show you guys that when I get home. So today's Vlogcember will be a lot of me showing you what I got, some Christmas presents, early Christmas presents. I usually do a what I got for Christmas. I do that every year, but I think this year we're focused more on the baby. So Scott and I aren't really exchanging gifts. My parents, I don't think they're getting us anything, and that's fine. I want it to be more about the baby, so maybe I'll do a haul on what my baby got for Christmas. I think that would be a little bit more cute. But I will show you guys what Michaela and Lindsay got me. For now, I gotta get a coffee. And what I've been loving is an iced caramel latte with sugar, what is it called? Sugar cookie cold foam on top. So that's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a sandwich. Do I want a sandwich for me? I might get a sandwich for me too. This car behind me is way too close to me. It's like 2 inches away. Can you see them? And I'm gonna get a venti ice water because, like I've said in the past, their ice water is on another level. Okay, it's gonna be $17.76. Thank you. Oh, I feel like she's pissed. Okay, so that's the plan for today. I will take you guys with me, as I always do. I cannot wait to get my hair done because we're dark. I mean, I don't think it looks bad, but we are a little bit dark. Does anyone else play Starbucks for Life on the app? It's so much fun. I really want to win for life, but I doubt they have many winners for this, but I do have 2 stickers or whatever they are. It's just so much fun, and you can do a free daily play. I'm out of plays right now, but you can do a free daily play, so you don't even have to make a purchase, but I'm obsessed. I'm like addicted to this game. Okay, so I have a ton of packages. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 packages, so I thought we could open them together. So first, Amazon. Teddy's helping me. Alright, so I got Oakley a Christmas book. Merry Christmas. This is a baby touch and feel Christmas book. I don't know if I want to save this for Christmas or before, but how cute. It's like a velvet. Oh, like each page feels different. This is adorable. Okay, so I got that from Amazon. This one I just got in the mail today. I think this is a Nest candle. Oh. Okay, this is so bougie. All right, so I received this from Octoly and Roy Orient. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but look at how fancy this box is with the gold. Ooh, I kind of want to reuse this box. Okay, so this is Arabian amber and white pepper. It's a luxury parfum and foaming shower sensation. So let's open up this box. Oh, we are fancy. The inside of the box is a little bit messed up, but that's okay. Look at this. Okay, so I think this is going to be for, let me smell this. Ooh, this smells good. Look at this bottle. This is like a smoky, little bit of a vanilla, woodsy scent. Ooh, this smells really nice. Definitely can smell like amber in it. Wow, this bottle is beautiful. Love that. And then this is the exclusive foaming shower gel. Wow, this smells really, really nice. It's definitely more of like a fall, winter, woodsy, amber, sensual scent. I'm here for it. So I'm gonna link this down below, but that packaging is really, really nice. I have a package from Colourpop, and this was supposed to be for our gift exchange yesterday. It was one of the girls' gifts, so let's open it up. Okay, so I ended up getting Michaela a palette. This is the Roaring Hearts palette from Colourpop. Always so affordable, but really, really pretty. And their packaging, look at this. So, oh, I know she's gonna love this. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to touch it, obviously, but some really pretty colors in there. Very neutral, but beautiful. And Colourpop is so creamy and pigmented. So that's for Michaela. And then I got a blush. Oh no, I didn't. What's this? I got a palette for Lindsay, like a mini one. Let's see what this looks like. So this is clear packaging. 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. Really pretty. And then, ooh, we have a glitter shadow that I really want to look at. So this is in Get Clarity. This is the outside of the packaging. Wow! Oh my god, this is for Michaela. Oh my god, I hope she loves this, because look at that. That looks stunning. That looks stunning. Ooh, I want this. Okay, I won't take it, but it's pretty. And then I just got a brow gel for Lindsay. So I'm gonna have to give that to him because it didn't come in on time, but it's fine. Next, let's open Walmart. Wow, this is stuffed. Oh my god, did I go crazy at Walmart? For what? Look at this. And I ordered this like 2 days ago. Okay, first of all, I had to get these Tate's Bakery Ginger Snap cookies. These are limited edition, and I love the Tate's chocolate chip cookies. So Ginger Snap, I hope they're good. Okay, I also got this as like a Christmas gift, just like an add-on. So it's the Hershey Kisses Holiday Collection Hot Cocoa Santa Hat Hugs. So they just look like this, just a Christmas gift. If you don't know what to get someone, get them a bag of candy or something like that, if you know that they'll like it. I also got this as a Christmas gift, because again, who doesn't love chocolate? And Ferrero Rochers. Whoa, delicious. Or I got this. These are just like small little stocking stuffer things. So I got this one, and this one. Nothing crazy. And then for Oakley, I got a ton of food. So I have organic sweet potato, cinnamon, flax, and oat. It's a breakfast puree. It comes with 6. We have the turkey quinoa apple sweet potato. And then in this, I have chicken pot pie. So just some pouches. And then we have something in here, which I think it's the melts. Are you helping, Mommy? Oh yeah. So he really likes these. The melties. He's never tried the ones with probiotics, so hopefully that's fine. But apple, carrot, mango, and yogurt. So, oh, did I think it came with 3? Because it came with 6. It's a lot. It's a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's what I got from Walmart. Moving on, Lovevery. They sent me some things for Oakley. So I got to pick them out, but I actually forgot what I got. So let's open it up together. I think I might actually put some in his little Christmas stocking. But let's see. Oh, so fun. So the inside of the box, this is for 8 to 10 months, and he's 9 months. So get a bunch of things. He's going to love this. Okay, so we have this. It just says Explorer Guide, Expert Tips, Developmental, why can't I speak? Development Info, and At-Home Activities. We have rings. Oh my god, he's gonna love this. Okay, we have some of these. Oh, How I Feel. Oh, I love this. So just like facial expressions with how you're like feelings and words to describe. I don't know what this is. There's so many fun gadgets. Are these blocks? Yellow, orange, red. I'm gonna have to read and see, like figure out what we do with these things. Oh my god, I was just saying he would love this. Teddy might also. There's so much fun in this box. I don't know what everything is, but it says it right here. So we got first blocks, stainless steel jingle keys, he's gonna love that. A clear tube with stacking rings, there we go. Bright and light play scarf. Little grip canister set. An egg cup. And a stainless steel tip and turn with baby ball. Wow. Okay, that's so nice. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. We'll probably play with some of these today. And I'm gonna read this and learn about his age. So I got that from Lovevery, and then this one, I'm pretty sure I have either a link or a coupon code. Oh my god, this is a huge box. So, we got a tunnel! Okay, there's a tunnel in here. How fun is this gonna be? So this, I like the material of this because I thought, whoa, I thought this was going to be like that swishy material, and it's like a soft, whoa. This thing really pops open. Babe, come look at this. Come look at this. He's got a tunnel, and I was opening it, and I like unhooked it, and it went like this. It's huge!
Oh.
I know. I did not think it was going to be this big. We can put the rug down and have him play in it. Oakley, this is for you. How cool. It's huge.
Dang.
He's got all these toys. Oh, we're going to have a fun day. Isn't that fun? Teddy, look at this. Ready? Let me put you in here. Where's Teddy? You gonna eat it? Okay, so this is gonna be fun. I'll set this up so we can play with it, but thank you to Lovevery for sending this over. This is nice that it comes with a bag too, so you can just squish it back up and put it back in the bag. All right, that's everything that I got. I will show you guys later on what I got. Actually, I feel like this video is already really long. I might show you tomorrow what I got from Michaela and Lindsay, because it's probably gonna take me another 10 minutes to show you everything because they went overboard. So more of like a baby haul. Okay, I gotta stop this. Yay! Teddy, where's Oakley? Teddy, you go in there too. Oh, actually. Uh-oh. What's in there, Ted? You get some new rings? Go on, go check it out. Go check it out. Whoa! Teddy doesn't like it. Yay! Okay, it's the afternoon. I'm on a walk with Teddy. Need to go for a long walk. I'm almost at 10,000 steps and it's just about 2 o'clock. But I'm trying to get some fresh air because Scott and I drank some wine last night and I just feel like I needed fresh air. Scott's taking a nap with Oakley, but I'm on a walk with Teddy. We're having a nice afternoon together. It's like 50 degrees, so it's not bad. Go, go, go. Teddy loves walks. Like his day is made just from this walk. I wanted to give you guys an update on the Jingle Jangle. So it looks like I really liked it, but Scott liked it more because I only had a little bit of this because I only like the milk chocolate, and there's not actually that much milk chocolate in here. These are milk chocolate, and then I think there was some Oreo covered milk chocolate, but the majority is dark chocolate, so it's definitely more of Scott's favorite than mine, but still good. The ones that were milk chocolate was good, so I understand what the hype's about. But if you're a dark chocolate lover, you will really like this. Okay, so it's kind of the end of the day. Let me see. It's 3 o'clock. I'm almost at 12,000 steps. I feel good about today. My goal is 15,000 for today, so we'll see if I make it. But I'm going to end my vlog now. I actually have a missing package. I was trying to find it so I could unbox it with you guys. It's a Nest candle, but I can't find it. It's missing. So, story of my life. I feel like my packages go missing all the time. But if I do end up finding it at some point, I will show you guys. But I'm going to end my vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 14. And I will see you all tomorrow.